Hello all again. So, when I walked away to go grab a coffee, get some dinner in me, nice tikka masala, I actually sat there and thought of some different ways I could get Livestream to build. So Livestream is a custom distribution we use at work. To explain how it works. Hi Lee, how you doing? And we basically design the little systems you see at on billboards and stuff like that. What we use obviously Gentoo because I'm the guy that makes the operating system, so yeah, it's going to be Gentoo obviously. And I'm trying to make a new version 2, which is a lot more portable to other systems. 2 AM? Bloody hell. Well, obviously you're not going to sleep daily. But let me go and show you what I was thinking today. So we were trying to get it to install a config file, but I was thinking, why are we doing that when we could just z replace that file? So if I show you where if I go? If I go to here, I was flying a plane. Well, you can come and fly and see me, mate, can you? If you go to live GUI files here, so we just fed the file here. I wonder, could we just do this in e-build? Looks like you can, but can you do it outside? Let's just try it, shall we? See what happens. So let's just steal this line here. Would it go in the post install section? Let's get a look. It's the sandbox is disabled. Okay, okay. Let's try. So let's remove this. I don't know. Hey Wolf, how you doing? Thank you very much for the follow. I do not know why I'm not getting notifications at the moment for this. Hopefully that fixes itself in a bit. So we copy this. We copy this. Like DM. Let's get rid of that line and that line and that line. Well, spot, it's a donation goal. So I like my alcohol. And in one of the strings, we kind of thought it'd be funny, rather than doing what everyone else does, with having donation goals of, you know, the chart that goes up. We the money's going towards vodka, basically, so we might as well just show how many bottles of vodka I'm getting. I try not to do what other streamers do and pretend it's all for good stuff. I've got my vices, and mine's alcohol. It could be worse. Yeah, at least you got it, but it could be worse though. Imagine if I had a drug addict. Like, what would it be? Like a bong? Just filling up the bong of how much I've done. That'd be quite funny. We have done some other ones. So I was going out on a date once, and we used Viagra. Oh. I love it. So for people who don't know, there's a guy called Model Citizen. Absolute brilliant streamer, but it goes absolutely on tangents galore. Like, you think I go on tangents. I remember watching one of his streams, like talking about all technical thing. The next thing, he was teaching us how to make meth in one pot. Absolute brilliant. You usually encourage me to drink. Okay, so I wonder if we could just build a package. We don't want to build it on my system. Probably going to be stupid. Let's run Catalyst, see what happens. Did Gentoo, did even have a hard time? What have I done now? Oh, what? You believe about the Viagra? Yeah, of course I did it. She thanks you as well. What was the other one we did? Oh, the birthday. We had a birthday hat and we filled in all the bits. I mean, that was a rough day though. We started drinking about 9 o'clock on that day. You guys were pissing yourself laughing, I think, with the shit I was coming out with. I dread to look at what that stream was about. Am I Russian? No, I'm not Russian. You can't tell from my accent. Oh no, I'm British. We love our alcohol. But for those of you who don't know, back when I was 18, I did a thing where I went to the supermarket and I bought a different bottle of spirits every week. That ended up in a lot of rough nights, but the basic story is that I can't drink many spirits other than vodka nowadays. All Lee's going to be, you know, the sensible one and learn from our lessons. He probably looks at us lot and thinks, I ain't going to be one of them fuck-ups when I grow up. I'm still Cougar. You should know that when I get lost in a train of thought, I don't follow chat. Usually I sit there for like 20 minutes figuring something out. I look down at chat and Damian's put the answer in like 19 minutes ago. And he just has that gleeful smile. We are not fun. You know the cool kids at school? Yeah, we were not them. Well, to be honest, can you blame me? All you guys do is want me to fail. But no, I get lost, I get like trapped in these little weird things. I don't know, I think it's to do with my ADHD or something, but when I get stuck I just sort of get lost into it. When you start hearing me make my weird noises. Let's just explain the situation. I'm quite curious if this is going to work. I guess if it doesn't, I'll just have to pull down. Oh yeah, I just have to pull the new version. Well, I'll have to make a version. Two ads? Twitch is shit for ads. I'm surprised your ad block is not getting rid of it though. Might be time to update. I don't actually know if you can do animated wallpapers. Fuck's sake, Lee. Now I'm on a tangent. Get some bills and roll out Gentoo gifts. Yes, please. Right, Linux. Can you do... Oh. So it might be possible, but what we need is not that, but we need Tifa's boob bouncing. Damian, get on it, get on it. We've got a job for you. Get behind her. I can't believe I'm even saying that this is the best. We might have to make like a year-long no wallpaper update rule. That would be quite funny though, just to see this wallpaper with Tifa jumping. Alright, I'm getting a bit hot and flustered. I might need to go to the toilet for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I got a... Oh, Nick, well, thank you very much for the follow. Like, for the sub. You didn't need to.
Just subscribe.
Thank you. I do really appreciate it. We were only joking, like. But on the plus side, you get a Power Ranger emote on the side of your name. Like, what better? Right, just someone messaged me on Discord. Bear with me, I've just got to check. No one messaged me. I'm just hearing noises in my head now. Brilliant. Yeah, that's why when I did the first version of Livestream, I used the live GUI as a default template. This time I'm doing it the other way around because I know it works and how it works. I can start from nothing and then build it up. I mean, I'm still surprised that I'm using 1.2 gig. I need to go and cut that down a bit more. I'll probably go heavy in later on with just removing packages we don't need. I mean, when I say... So, I'm going to use the word minimal a lot on this, but what I mean by minimal is I want to get a base image set up, and then I can add stuff as and when I need it. Yes, it is the FF7 mod manager. One of my weird claims to fame is I actually have a patch to make it work on all Linux distributions. Hi Sean, how you doing, mate? Well, I didn't do the cool thing. The guy that got it working on the Steam Deck was the cool one, but I managed to change some of his work to make it work on everything else. And luckily, that person accepted the patch, so everyone can enjoy that now. But if you've ever tried using the mod manager on Linux, you know what a pain in the arse it is. Right, so this is failing still. Let's see what the error is. Right, why? Okay. So what I'm going to do then is let's go into the repo. Where do we keep it? I think there's a mod manager for Final Fantasy X now. There's a Discord for it. I can't remember what it is. Let me see if we've got it on here. There it is. Cassini mods. If you check on there, it might be a mod manager, or there might be someone who'll be able to tell you. Like, if anything to do with modding, this is the place to be. Yeah, FFNX. Oh, if you added me as a friend, I'd always ignore the friend request. You've got to imagine how many friend requests I get a day. Don't worry, my actual friends in real life moan at me for not adding them back, so... What I should do is make it a Patreon thing, like $600 a month, I'll be your friend on Discord. I mean, I'll have to pay you the £600, I guess. And thank you, Sean, for the follow. Just seen that one come through. I do not know why notifications are not working on this today. I hope the overlay is showing it at least. Real friends get ignored. Everyone gets ignored to me. Because I'm stuck in my own little world, that's why. Right, you made me go off on a tangent again. So, if I go packages... display manager in it. So what I'm thinking is if I copy this over to my overlay, then I can just edit it here and it'll fix all the issues. Let's try it. GUI libs. Right, then I copy R, V, var. You waved at me in Discord. Alright, I'll have a look later. I'll have to go and look because I turn off the notifications. So I could say I get so many. Everyone wants to know me. I'm just an idiot. You don't want to know me. No, you have to join my Patreon anyway. It's like, you know, the $600 tier. Artsy wants to do it just to see what happens. Really, I can't afford any friends. Oh. Oh, Sean gets a friend. Okay, so let's make this version 4. Right, nano files. Nah. Right, so now if I go back to var_db, no, var_db, var_temp. Oh, I know what I need to do. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's remove my cache of this file stuff. Okay, then ebuild appmist livestream tools manifest. And okay, that should work now. Give it a try. I'm gonna make it now, just for you. Not on this stream though, enough tangents going on. Right, let's try this again. So AF live stream. There we go. Let's see if this works. So it should pick up the new version of Display Manager that I've just created. It's still a bit hacky. But if I'm lucky, this will be the thing that fixes it. There's also a really sad thing. Normally, I don't get excited about doing work. I hate doing work. This time, I got, just literally just sat there in my room thinking about work. Oh yeah. I leave weird little things on my system just to annoy people. It gets people to comment on my YouTube videos. Like, I always leave little weird stuff around. I'm one of them annoying people. While this is building, I better go and check on YouTube, see how they're all doing. Hi YouTube! What's the theme of this stream? It's building a distribution based on Gentoo. How many times have I got to tell you, Gentoo is Gen 3? I think you should just write your own spec, really, Ben, if you want to go really small. There's no real way to answer though, really, is there? But at least you know all the applications you've added are what you've added, you know? I just deleted everything and started from scratch. You know you need XFE, so just start with that, get XFE booted, and then work out what you need for Calamaris afterwards. It's one of them that sounds really complicated, but when you start doing it, you know what packages you use. I mean, you watched them 1,000 times. What's my opinion on Chromebooks? For people that don't understand computers, I think they're absolutely amazing because they are quite hard to get viruses on. They're quite secure. So yeah, I can understand them for a person who just wants to get a web browser working. Who'd want one. For someone like me, no, a bit shit. Like, why would I want to give all my data to Google in the first place? Yeah, here's one of the things we say, Wolf, about Gentoo is we do have our moments, don't get us wrong, but it's kind of people that come from Arch have a difficulty in understanding, because basically when you go to Arch, I think, try and think of the way we did it. When in Arch, people kind of want to show off how much better they are than you, but in Gentoo, we aren't showing off, we're pushing you to be better. So that the only so when I first got back into Gentoo again, I was trying to do an install using a 2.6 kernel, you know, back from 2009. And someone asked me, why the heck are you doing that for? And then I explained the situation was that the device I got would only work with a 2.6 kernel. And obviously I know there'd be this issue and this issue, but I kind of wanted to get it working. As soon as I explained it to them, they're like, oh yeah, alright, fine. Just understand that we won't be doing... we won't be, like, you know, fully supporting it for you, but we'll give you hints to fix your issues. And so that's what makes Gentoo different from other distributions. It's not someone saying you shouldn't be doing that because it's stupid. We'll be like, why should you do it? Yeah, alright, your reasoning makes sense. This is how you do it. Jesus, you're odd. Oh, I've got a video of me doing it actually. If I go... There you go. I've actually got a video of me installing Gentoo on a 2.6 kernel. Last year as well. And of course, because of me, oh, fuck's sake. I've also got the documentation for you to do it yourself, which shows you how to do it on a 2.6, a 3 and a 4, a version 4 kernel. I wouldn't do it on a real hardware thing. Do it in a VM thing if you're going to do it, but it's doable. Right, okay, so we're getting close to the end of this. I doubt that'd be possible. Like 2.39 is the lowest I got that to work. I can't even get a 2.638 to work. What viewers on Twitch? You're right. Even the view bots wouldn't want to go and see this shit. Okay. So we're getting to the end now. We should be doing... Here we go. Live stream tools. There we go. It's built. No, it's fucking failed. Why has it failed? What? Why has it failed? It should work. Right, nano, var_db repos, live stream, @misc, live stream tools. Huh? Why is it? Oh, because it... I wonder if it's... What? Oh, because it's getting the fucking package. Shit. That's what it's been failing all these times. Well, that's annoying. Right, let's... Oh, I know what I'll do. Right, let's do nano. Rather than fucking about, let's do this. Rather than fucking about, carries on fucking about. Live stream. We'll just make a new version. Right. Then go again. This should do it. What's that? Very strategic place to place that terminal. Well, you want to see all, don't you? I mean, I could make it sort of like that. You know what? I've never played Metro. Is it a first-person shooter? No, you looked at where it was. I still think that, you know, having that, the one that bounced up and down would be better. That could be this week's video. So I've been struggling to think of new video ideas for YouTube lately. What, sort of like this? Only 2 mice. You in the bloody transparent background, you're obsessed. Right, so we'll let this build again. I think we've seen this screen like 1,000,000 times today. Why do you even get circular terminals? Can you even get circular windows in Linux? No. No, only rounded corners. Lame. Linux is shit. Back to Windows. If that issue with some apps from the flat pattern opening from my control would be crazy, the simple fix I could do it. But it's manual. What? I'm not that good of a coder. I might be able to vibe code it. Right, we'll just wait for these binaries to install again. What you need is a good desktop manager, and then everything will be fine. Flatpaks work fine on Mate. Patch for circular terminals. I wonder if AI could actually even... Fuck it. Lee, you made me do it. Right, and they on like Enlightenment 22 now or something. Please write a patch for the Fluxbox window manager that draws the windows as circles rather than rectangles. How do you spell rectangles? Can you please teach me how to spell rectangles? Rectangles. There you go. But me, it's actually written a patch. Fucking, I can just imagine you clipping with that. Don't clip it because it automatically transfers as well. I wonder if it'll actually work. Right, caveat says does not make the circle, only the client window mask. So much may break with non-rectangular shapes. Can you make the Windows decoration circular as well? Window. I can't spell circular either. Real talk Flunkspot was not designed for real talk limitations. This is brilliant. It's giving me a real talk. This is fucking awesome. Or we could go full on spiritual. Right, we need to. I need to. Right, we need to come back to this. This is going to be a stream for another day. I'm not sure if this actually works. There's no way it's going to work. Oh, old people. Could you imagine that? X-Clock with boobs. X-boobs. I think I would have preferred Lulu if I was 14, like I was when I played Final Fantasy 7, because there was a lot more boob on show. But I mean, back when I was 14, even Shiva was fucking hot. Okay, right, it's built, it's built. Cool. We're getting somewhere. I think I've decided I'm going to get everything to work today so I can spend the entirety of tomorrow just getting pissed. Now I'm just going to wake up, go to the shop, and get drunk. I'll just be a proper alcoholic tomorrow. Oh, I could be even cooler, and I could buy vodka at the time the shop opens up. Right. Let's build the second stage. So second stage, for those of you who don't know Catalyst, is basically the stage where we add the kernel and turn the tarball into an ISO image that can be built. Booted, sorry, not built. I guess it is being built. What's Gentoo's install package? It uses a thing called portage. But the we build our stages and ISOs with a tool called Catalyst, which is basically a lot of fancy Python and Bash scripts that just hack everything together and make it what we want. I mean, it was designed in like 2003, so you can imagine how old that code is that's lurking around in there. Live CD stage 2. Yeah, a lot of people struggle with that. You know, you're not the first person, but you know when you just... It's really hard for me to explain Catalyst stuff, because you know, when you get so involved in a project, everything just makes sense to you, that you just sort of skip details. But yeah, if you... Oh, don't say you were 2. So, I switched to Linux on the desktop full time when you were born. That's what we're saying there. Right, so a stage 1, 2 and 3 is the stage 1 builds the compiler and portage. Stage 2 then rebuilds the compiler and portage with itself. And then stage 3 adds all the default applications or the default programs that a user needs to install Gentoo just the way they want to. Yeah, some old prick turned 40. That was still a bad idea, streaming my birthday. I got myself alcohol poisoning because everyone bought me vodka. Yeah, we used... So, you don't really need to do the build itself with itself stage anymore. It's kind of one of them things that people used to believe was important, but nowadays it's not. I mean, GTC builds itself 3 times anyway. Like, it builds itself... It builds a cross-compiler with itself, and then it uses that to build the other stage. Our users from Brazil are awesome for like finding stuff that we didn't do. So we were talking ages ago about dropping dial-up, and I think it was a user from Brazil was telling us they still use dial-up over there to access the internet. And it was one of those cool things that we're like, oh, like, cause obviously we just forget stuff like that works. No, that people still use that stuff. We thought it was dead technology. But we use that story to always make sure there's dial-up on our CDs. Right, okay, so we've got this to work. So what I should be able to do now is load this up and see. So let's enable KB. Why is this not working? Enable KVM, SMP12, memory is 16 gig, CD-ROM. Okay. Is this going to work? So what this should do is boot show us it's got a user called livestream. Oh, hello. It has, look, it's got the livestream user. Huh, it's worked. Fuck. I can't believe it. Huh. It's actually fucking worked. So again, for people that are new here, my shit normally doesn't work, so it's impressive when it does. Yeah, I forgot a password. If I get excited. Don't worry, everyone insults me. It's kind of what we do here. I insult you, you insult me kind of deal. It's a lot more fun than normal. I don't love Damien one. So yeah, for people that don't know, the reference is Damien. I said to Damien I need to set a password for my work ISO to show him, and he said that password as a joke, and I actually set that as the password and gave it to my boss. He's never dared me to do anything ever again. Okay. Right, I need to chill anyway. I'm well excited that worked. So what I need to do now is create an auto login. I can't believe that fucking worked. So let's go here. I'm supposed to go and say hello to YouTube. Hi YouTube. Fuck. Right, let's like DM auto login. How do I enable auto login then? So I guess I just need to add this. Right, so if I do nano / etc like DM. Looks like everything's just... So I just need to create this file, do I? Okay, let's try it. Okay, make their files. make the files, CD files, nano, like the mconfig. Or was it config? Don't know what the user session is, so I'll get rid of that. Live stream. We remove that. And then if I check out live CD tools, there we go. Install into, do install. Okay, so that's what I've got to do. Let's see if I can do it. Right, so what's auto login session? So I just do auto login session mate. Is that right? Files. Like that. Oh, you're leaving us all, Damien. How mean. Can't believe you're leaving us on your stream. Right, install into. And then do install. Files there. Is it files there? Let's check with this display manager. So what we do is we just look at how other people do things and then just copy it into our own build. That's basically how, yeah, files there. No, it is files. I think it's just that. Right. Matt session, eh? Thank you. So this. Thank you if that works. Right, so this should hopefully get me straight in. Let's try it. I hope this works. More merging. We love the merging. It's one of those though, isn't it? Like, you don't want to change too much at once, because we could jump straight in, we could do like everything in one hit, but doing that makes troubleshooting so much harder. So if you just do one change at a time. I think the next thing we're going to do is, look at me getting ahead of myself, we're going to start removing packages that we don't need. So I'm thinking, if we go, I'm thinking I'm going to go here, and I'll still this unmerged list, and that'll remove basically like hundreds of packages. I might even use this one. So yeah, I'll add, if I add these in, that will remove, well, as you can see, a ton of packages. And should, well, it will reduce the size of the thing obviously, but could also look at emptying some of these as well. We'll give that a test next, I guess. See you in a second, Wolf. And it won't be installing, but I do want to see your Calamari's thing in action though. I am thinking about suggesting it to Gentoo. Let's take a look at that. Where's the calamari's part in this? I hate the name calamari. I hate squid. How about onion? I love onion rings. Was it in root overlay? Is it here? Ah. Fish and chips. Oh, I love fish and chips, but I like battered sausage. Building the ISO. Well, I wouldn't mind playing with it. The final product. Like you making the ISO and then me playing with that. Going to sleep, Lee. What a lack of Lee tangent of you. You're about to see history in the making. Oh, you want me to do that? Yeah, I mean, I suppose if I like the install, I'm gonna have to write an e-build for it. I can't really give a date because obviously it's dependent on me mood. I get up and downs, and so. Well, you see me take breaks for like a week at a time, also. Sometimes I just go in a downer and into myself. Obviously, at the moment, I'm in an up because I can't stop working. Right. Oh, fuck it. What's broken? Right, why does that not work? Anyone good at writing e-builds there? Ah. I'll do it in... No, that's where they do it. Oh, maybe I'll just add this. Right, let's try building it again. Catch you later on, Lee. Nice seeing you today. Yeah, it does sound fun, Benji. But, yeah, I've got that work focus mode on at the moment, so I need to finish this one off, but I can't think of anything else other than getting this built. Weird, isn't it? Sometimes I just get like it. And what's that? It feels like an Aerosmith day, don't want to miss a thing. Right, hopefully this didn't make a binary. Yeah, maybe we can do it tomorrow. Unless I might take the day off, so it might be a Wednesday thing, but we'll try and get it done in the week. I say the only reason I don't want to commit to the time is because if I get a downer, it could be like a while. But we'll definitely do it. We'll say that. Oh, let's go and see how the old YouTube was doing. Hello, YouTube people. Let's close some of these tabs down. Great. Let's build again. Still on the Gentoo. Yeah, I'm back on it, Bunny. I went for dinner and all I could think about was building this. So I thought, bugger it. Let's get back into it while I got it. My plan probably is to get as much as is done today. I've got the whole base image working. And then tomorrow I can just wake up and get pissed. So I might even just wait till the shop opens up in the morning and then just go and buy a bottle of vodka the second it opens. It'd be a proper alcoholic. Let's see where we get to today. I mean, what tasks we got set here? Quite a few. Oh, we added the live stream user, so we can tick that off. So we're working on adding light DM and auto login at the moment. You are right. The problem is, though, sometimes I get excited watching things compile that I can't sleep and I watch the compile. Like when I'm doing really I say exciting things, like when I used to be doing stuff on MIPS and stuff like that for the PlayStation 2, I'd get so into it I'd watch the compile build. Yep, yeah, all that. And then getting upset if you wake up and it failed. Like, it's weird, isn't it? Like, it's because you know, like, there's... When you do things in steps, you know the next step on is the really exciting one. So when you get so close on at the end of the boring task, you just can't stop watching. Life of being a distro hacker, I suppose. Hey, at least it's not just me and you, mate. At least, no. Until today, I thought it was just me that had this weird thing. At least I know there's someone else out there that's as odd as me. The worst part is that this is for work. It's not even for fun. Like, why am I this excited about a work project? Okay, where are we getting to? Nearly built. Well, technically, I only used it because I'm the package maintainer for it. Okay, here we go. So we're hoping not to see live stream as a binary. If it's that pinky colour, then it's a binary, and I'm an idiot for starting the stream, I guess, like this. Nope, it's rebuilt it. Excellent. Oh, you can't. I thought I did it. Oh, it's detected a fucking file collision. Okay, so in that case, I think it uses I think I can make a config.d file. So if I do create directory, you can just make that. Okay. Let's try. Let's try this. Okay. Now if I rebuild, the ebuild should create the directory for me and then install it into the right directory. Let's try that. I kind of need a wee though. I'll be back in a second. Well, that got fucking that way. Okay. I'll let this build again. Hopefully this works. Right, let's pop that. Sometimes I think installing binaries takes longer than compiling. So there's a bit of checking on YouTube, so they're doing. Hello YouTube people. Yeah, a new distro based on Gentoo. It's mainly for work, so I doubt many people outside of that are going to get any use out of it. But it's interesting to see the thought process behind creating a distribution. And I think that's pretty much it. I think that's what we're all excited to watch it, really. Just overcoming problems. Okay, that's a bit worrying that my Twitch app has decided to stop logging in. I hope that's still working. Oh, there you go. I think it's back logged in again. Okay. Oh, you cunt! Why is it failing now? Because it's made a binary, for fuck's sake. Right, move. And then we do ebuild, live stream, 4 manifest. Right, let's try building it again. Hey Tachyon. I guess Twitch had a bit of a failure then. The IRC server must have went down for a couple of seconds. Oh no. You must be up for a few thousand points by now. I guess I should update for those of you who just joined. We're building a custom distribution based on Gentoo at the moment. We are going through a checklist of things for the base image. At the moment, we're trying to get LightDM to auto start and log in. At the moment, it auto starts perfectly fine. It just doesn't auto log in at the moment. You only have 300. I would have thought you would have way more than that. Ooh, got hiccups. The problem with testing this out is the package that we're editing is the last one on the list, so it takes fucking forever to get to the last package. So every test takes about 5 minutes just to build through. But it adds to the fun, right? If anyone's got any questions or times to ask while we're building, gives us something to talk about while we're going through. Otherwise you just get me mumbling on about some random shit like this. You probably don't want to learn e-builds from me. I'm fucking shit at them. Yeah, you might learn something. You'll learn the technique that most people that write e-builds use. It's basically we just steal stuff from other e-builds and edit it to make it into a... I told you episode 4 was a good one, didn't I? It's like the guy from Border Snatch, though. I swear it is. I can't remember the music from the end. But it's a really good episode, isn't it? You kind of know from the start like how it was all going to go, but for me it's a good episode, isn't it? Someone is working on it, Silver, but yeah, someone needs to do it fast because I don't know why it takes so fucking long. Great for you, and it's a really good episode, isn't it? Like, technically, did you see what I meant about the console though? It seems a bit weird that he used that. And the PS ports ahead. Everyone's done the PS2. I'm like, ooh. I mean, it felt like me doing it. Like, you know, it felt like a bit of a homage to me for all the things I've installed Gentoo to. But maybe that's why we did it. Like, they were thinking about people that hack around on consoles. But like, why wouldn't you just bought like really good, like a big server? I suppose it would have made a good montage if you built it from stuff like that. But like, knowing that the Jaguar and the PS2 was really shit, why would you have? Like, it can't. That's like the only bit that breaks the immersion. Yeah, binaries are good. Are good. I've got a few patches in the old. I've added quite a few packages to the bin host. Yeah, that did look awesome. But that bird server room looks a lot better with the quantum thing. If I show you... let's find a tab that I'm not thinking of. Yeah, so I've got a few patches in there. Yeah, it's quite a good one, isn't it? Who is it? It's some workout music. You're supposed to work out to this. I can't see me working out to it, but Final Fantasy Gym Mix. It's programming music. I couldn't imagine myself doing sit-ups to this, but bit of release engineering all day long. What's your next episode to watch on thingy? Is it the eulogy episode next? Yeah, that's definitely one you watch and you think about for a day. You can't watch another one afterwards. I'm kind of looking forward to you watching it so I can talk to you about it. I'm not sure if it's fixed people at the end of 4 have killed them. What's that? Oh, fuck's sake, what's this failed? Oh. What? Let's find a thing. So, voltage. Right. Oh, the e-make. Yeah, but I'm thinking about adding this into Gentoo itself. What's that video? Do I want to look? Oh, is that the music from it? Well, no, it didn't kill the humans, did it? It works with them. How do I... I mean, I suppose for now we can see if it works. Yeah, true. But it was supposed to show that you were the human that had been changed by it, wasn't it? That's why sort of Peter Capaldi's turned around to you. Oh. Right. We need to check something. He's running around. Always looking at Tifa. You only good at writing e-builds? You can do wall sits until I faint. I actually kind of want to see that. Do you mind recording it? Even better if you did faint. I don't know why I'd enjoy that, but I would. There's some sick part of me. Animal cat. Okay. Might get a bit boring and it took me over a minute. It took you a minute just to fucking find a t-shirt. Ah, yeah, do make sure you do. Can't wait. I don't even know why I'm excited for it. Hey, don't forget, if you sub to me, you get a discount on all my merch as well. Right, let's see if it's boots. I think this will work. It does not. Why does it not? Well, it's there. Let's try just Matho then. Let's see if that works. Really? That's pretty cool. What's the link? Yo. That's shit. I'm already regretting not running SDDM. I wonder if my kids will give me their Netflix password just so I can play the game. Oh, no, you're just rubbing it in. Really? What was your taxi drive? You getting off a taxi drive for free fares? Right, is this gonna... Ah, it's fucking rebuilt it. Right, so let's do... Oh. Oh. Oh, Alpha 1, there we go. Right, let's try this then. Oh shit. Right, let's try building it again then. You should have brought it out. Yeah, you should know better than thinking I wouldn't turn that into a joke. Baked taxi. Wait, if you got it, flaunt it, mate. It could be worse though. There's a guy living here in this hostel with me, and he was showing me pictures of the birds he's talking to, and he accidentally showed me his dick. And obviously, he was a bit like, "Oh, shouldn't have showed you that." But me being me and me being really drunk went, "Fuck me, that's a big dick." And I started getting everyone to come round in the pub, going, look at this, and I started showing everyone his dick. But now he thinks he's actually got one. And I'm like, oh, I can't tell him that I was just fucking about. The whole room I showed. But it's only average. Oh, bless him. Made his day though. Okay. I'll have a look later on. I'm quite excited to see what this game's like. Right, let's see if this works. So... oh. Alright, so that's that. Let's see if this boots. Nah, still not fucking auto-logging. I wonder if I can do this. Alright, so no X. Yes, right. Then I can do sudo I password livestream. Sub to imlo as the password. What's the service? Yeah, basically. They use both actually, Windows or Linux. It's up to the franchisee which they use. I don't really know, to be honest. Probably just best to ping me and then see if I answer. Will that work though? I don't get why it's not auto-logging in. Maybe you should take a break from that for a second. Maybe that's what I need to do. Let's remove some shit from the ISO. Oh, fuck, I didn't want to do that. Right, nano. Okay, so. Let's unmerge a load of shit. So on the in the reling CD, we unmerge all these packages and empty these DIRs. I reckon we should do the same here. Should save a load of space. Let's see if we can get rid of all this shit as well. Well, it should just be a case of... oh, fuck's sake. We should just be able to copy and paste it. We make these things pretty standard. And I've already checked for them in a previous stream. So this should remove a heck of a lot of bollocks. What I'll also do is make a new alpha. Then we can compare the differences. Oh, have you got a... Thank you very much. I'll take a check on that in 2 seconds. Let me go and fire that up. I forgot that you've done this. Where did you add the stuff? Ah, down there. Let's see if that looks the same. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Let's see if it does work. You don't think it goes in the GT Greet a bit, do you? I wonder. I wonder if this is overriding it. Nah, it can't be. I don't know why I've done it this way, but I have. Right, let's try that. Oh, I've copied it to the wrong fucking part. Okay, let's try that. So let's build the second stage again, and this time it should remove a load of packages for us. Well, it might be Mass A desktop. Oh, I might have to do passwordless. Let's see this build. I can test it in thingy, right? I can test it in the live environment. Okay, so now it's going to remove 300 packages. Nice. Why is it removing? Why is it removing Mate? Is it going to remove everything? It's removing a lot of bloat. I kind of want to see what it does. I don't think it's removing everything. Yeah, I think we'll just stop this. Oh. Right, let's stop it depth cleaner. Maybe the depth clean. Right, let's try this. It was going to be a small ISO. Right, let's see what it does. Okay. Don't know why the depth clean went so hard. I bet it's because live streams gets removed, so there's no dependency for it. That's what it is. I probably need to add it as an overlay. Okay, let's go and see what the size difference is then. So, UH stream. Did you not make the ISO? Oh. Well, it didn't save as much space as I thought it was going to. Ah, now it all logs in. Thank you very much. Oh, right, well, I think we definitely got to as far as we can go to today, because it's coming up to like 9:30. But, yeah. We've got... It's sort of auto-logging in. Not perfect yet. What else have we done on there? Yeah, so we've removed Qt. We've added the user. We've got some of the system tools working, kind of got like DM working. We've got it auto start and it's just not logging in yet. And we've removed some dependencies. We could probably go a little bit harder on that later on. But it's looking good. We've done quite a lot today. We basically finished the base image, haven't we? We've got a couple of tasks, but nothing major. But yeah, I definitely think that's where we're leaving it today. I am going to get myself off to bed, so thank you all very much for following me. Double thank you if you followed both streams today. It's been a long day of streaming. And thank you for the sub and donations. Always appreciated. It will be going towards some very nice vodka later on. But for now, keep compiling, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Oh, I better say bye to YouTube. Bye, YouTube. Just joined. What a crazy story. I wonder what time they joined.